what is going on, guys? We are doing part 4 of the booster box opening, Genesis Impact. We're opening up another 12 cards. There's just a couple of cards I'm missing, and then we have the base monsters that I need for the Drytron deck. So let's go ahead and, you know what, let's just get into it. Alright, so let's do this. I'm going to put this over again to the left, and let's do it! First pack of this video. Maybe not throw the trash right there. There we go. See what we got here. We have seen this card already. We've seen it. Number 9. Ooh, look at that. They're Ben 10. I have like a million of those now. And we got the book card. I'm not going to even try. I think that's Trismegistus. Trismegistus. I don't know. I can't say it. But there it is. There's that right there. Next pick. I love how my thing like zooms into what I need it to zoom into, so I really appreciate that about this camera. It took me a while to figure out what camera I wanted to get. Alright, we've seen that card, There's a Zeta, and we got another Drytron Fafnir. I think that's my third copy, which I'm okay with, so that's good. Don't mind having triples of all the Drytron cards, just to have them, just in case. Again, meta changes or something like that. Alright, look at that. We got a Gamma. We got ourselves the Regression card, a Zeta, Foolish. And we got ourselves another one of these white and red dragons. Alright, we're already a quarter of the way through the packs. Next, let's see what we get. We have seen Mark here. Nice to meet you, Mark. We've seen so many of those. We got ourselves another beta. Got that. Live Star Twin Home. Seen that card already? Kind of like those cards. I like the artistry of it. I think that's a word. Alright, let's see what we got here. Mark. Nice to meet you again. We've seen it, and we've seen it. So we've seen all these cards. We have so many dupes. So many dupes, man. Alright, this will mark halfway point. Look at that. Ben 10 right off the bat. We have like 20 of these now. Let's see. Oh, yes! Cyber Emergency. That is awesome. I need 2 more of these now. That's awesome to see. Alright, so we need to get a couple more cards. What we got here? Bottomless Trap Hole, some stuff, some more stuff, and we got this ice, or I'm sorry, she looks like ice to me, but it's Glass Goddess, which again I think is super cool. Alright, next pack. Let's see what we get. Clips. Okay. And we got this card here. This gross look. It's like I don't know, from like Ghostbusters or something like that. It's probably where they got the idea from. Yeah. See another eclipse. So many eclipses. See here. Oh, we've already got like 3 of these in this booster box. Come on, there's gotta be. You gotta have a better ratio of the other super rare cards. We got a Phoenix card. I have so many of these. It's awesome. Let's see what we got. All right, we have seen that card too. All right, 2 more packs to go. 2 more. Dos more. Got here. We got the Live Star Twin Channel. See, we're getting there, we're getting there, we're getting there. I think this is the one. Is this the one? Draconoid? I think this is the right one. I think we finally got this card. Let me look at it. Yes. Yes, we got the boss monster. The boss monster. Awesome. I needed this card. I just need one of these. But it's cool to see. It's cool to see. It looks like every single booster box has one ultra rare card on each side. And it seems like it's towards the bottom. If you guys ever see the booster packs or something like that at the store, try to get to the bottom ones, like second to third last ones. Get those ones. Let's see. Secret password. I haven't seen this card yet. This looks like it's for the Live Star Twin or Evil Star Twin card. That's cool. I'm glad to see another card we haven't seen yet. So that's awesome. So we're getting super close. We got this card now. We got the alphas done. We got the Fafnirs. We gotta get 2 more Cyber Emergencies and a couple other cards, and that will be the base of what we need for the Drytron deck. All right, so we'll be opening up more. We got 5 and 6 coming up as well, and more after that. But again, if I get more activity, we'll be giving away some Ben 10s, because why not? But please like, comment, and subscribe, and you guys have a wonderful day. And if there's any girls watching, you girls have a wonderful day as well. I'll see you.